Regarding po sa boat raid operations na kinandak ng Philippine contingents at ang ating Republic of Korean Marine Corps. So dito sa exercise na ito is na-achieve namin yung objective namin na makapag-conduct ng interoperability exercise na kung saan yung respective forces is nagtulong-tulong para makapag-come up ng plano at ma-execute namin yung given na mission sa amin. Yung scenario po ngayon is we simulated na itong area na ito is na-occupy ng Olvana forces, which is yun yung ating kalaban. Then yung concept natin is through boat raid operations and follow-on forces is nakapag-conduct tayo ng ating mission, sir.
There are missions
Makapag-come up at mai-fuse natin yung lahat ng capabilities natin para mai-execute yung boat raid operations natin para neutralize natin yung ating mga kalaban.
As part ng PCG contingent, best time to para ma-exercise and observe lahat ng practices tsaka yung updates ng pagiging special ops, mainly as snipers. May nakuha kami mga TTPs, pwede namin apply pagbalik namin sa unit namin.
Then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.